We had another woman also on the finals from NLUO Cuttack, NLUO who ended up third. So congrats to her and their team also. So I'd just like to say firstly, thank you Odisha Post and Dharatri for organizing and giving us the opportunity again. We were so grateful to be invited when you decided to open it up to outside colleges last time, and this time also we're glad for the invite. And thank you to the quizmaster, Mr. Ajay Punia. He had a very interesting lineup of very unpredictable, which is what adds to the excitement, right? And so again, congrats to all the winners in junior category and senior category, and we're also thankful to all our competitors who answered and really kept us on our toes, because even though we looked like we had a lead, we were never sleeping. Matlab, we couldn't really ensure our win until the end. So thank you everybody.
First of all, it was a remarkable night. If you would have asked us before the quiz that would we be satisfied before the first runner position or would we be sad, we would have definitely said that we would have been sad. But after this result, like, we couldn't have asked for more.
True.
I remember we were at minus 20, got answer correct, then got back to negative again. Then like a streak of correct answers. And I can say for sure that each one of the correct answers that we got today, I'll remember them for the rest of my life. It was a brilliant round of quizzing from every team. In the starting, while we were at the rock bottom, the scores were very dispersed. There was stiff, cutthroat competition. Then IIT Kharagpur showed their class as usual. We were feeling scared, like we would have to face them at many events coming. But best of luck to them. I guess they were runner-ups last year. We are runner-ups this year.
This was our
So
debut.
connect the chronology. Like we will definitely
Chronology
be going for
समझिए.
the title next year. Was there a lack of memorable moments from this quiz? The entire quiz was a spectacle. If you ask from our point of view.
So actually, like, it's a true story. So my parents were watching the quiz, the live quiz, which was live streaming on YouTube. At one point, they were like completely hopeless. They were like, even can we just switch this off? We cannot bear to watch this. But we won. So that's what matters.
It really feels nice. So this is my fourth time here. So last year we missed out on third place in the tiebreaker. So we were tied with another team for third place. But the buzzer, when the tie broke, we unfortunately became fourth. So it was really nice to finally break that curse and get the third prize. And this is my last time as well. So I really wanted to be on the podium because as my last time. But on the other hand, we have people who are joining us for the first time.
Participating for the first time and then also coming up in the podium. So I think in the future we'll have to maintain that position, and I think we will maintain that. So I think that's all.